If you drink clove tea every day, here is what happens to your body. 1. Cloves fight infections. The antimicrobial properties of cloves can help combat bacterial infections, including urinary tract infections, UTIs. Clove tea can be a complementary remedy to help reduce bacteria in the urinary tract. 2. Cloves. Reduce inflammation. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, which help fight free radicals in the body and reduce inflammation. 3. Cloves relieve respiratory issues. Clove tea can help alleviate respiratory issues such as coughs, colds, and congestion due to its expectorant properties. 4. Cloves balance blood sugar. Some studies suggest that cloves can help regulate blood sugar levels, making clove tea beneficial for individuals with diabetes. 5. Cloves improve skin health. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of clove tea can aid in managing acne and other skin conditions. 6. Cloves strengthen bones. Cloves contain manganese, which is essential for bone health and can help improve bone density. Please like and follow for more videos like these.